Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to use the quantity feature in FlexiFunnels. First, open your project. Start by creating these 3 pages. These pages are essential for your product. Once your pages are ready, go to the Products tab in your dashboard. Now, open your product. Inside the product settings, click on the price option. First, click here to set the price for your product. Set the required pricing here. Once done, click on the Next button. Here you'll find the quantity settings. Click on the drop-down menu. You'll see 2 options. Choose the appropriate one as per your requirement. Once selected, click on the Save button to apply the changes. After that, complete your product setup and link it to your sales page. Now, let's check if the quantity feature is working properly. To do that, go to your checkout page and open your published page URL from here. Once the page loads, you'll see a quantity selector where customers can choose how many units to buy. Now, let's increase the quantity. And notice how the final price changes. That's it. These are the steps to enable the quantity feature in FlexiFunnels. Thanks for watching.